Hello, everybody. So today we're going to be starting off with multiplication. Okay, so this is just going back to your roots and doing basic multiplication. So it would just be like for number one, it'd be 677 times 74. Okay, now this would be 8203 27 0 9 4 49 plus 4 is 3 5 42 plus 5 47 8 9 0 1 0 1 5 50,098 would be your answer for number one. Okay, so because this is just multiplication and it's really basic, we'll just do one more and then move on. Okay, so 254 times 68 is 8 times 4 is 2, 3, 3, 4, 0, 2, 0, 4, 2, 2, 3, 15. Okay. 2, 7, 2, 7, 1. So 17,272. Okay. All right, so let's just move on to the next section, which is division, with no remainders. Okay. It's the same thing as before, just basic stuff. 7 divided by 301. 7 divided by 30 is 4, 28, 2, 1, then 3. So 43. Okay. Number 2 is 6,422 divided by 2, which is just 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay. Yeah, that's really easy. The one that's probably a good bit more difficult is the next section, which is division with remainders. So these are pretty ugly problems because you have remainders and those are always a pain. But let's just do it for now. 4 divided by 6, 1, 6. 30 is just 1, 4, 2, 1, 5. Let's see. 20, 1, 16, 4. Let's move this over here to get 16. Subtract 16, 0, take this, move over here, 0, take this, move over here, and then you get 7, 28 minus 2, and so there's a remainder of 2. Okay, so that was really messy, but in the end, the answer to the question of 61,630 divided by 4 is 15,407 with the remainder of 2. So our answer would be 15,407 with the remainder of 2. Okay, so that last one was really messy. So I'm going to do one more and hopefully it'll be a bit better. Okay, so 50,626 divided by 5 is just 1, 5, 0, 0. These are zeros. 0, 6, and that'd be 1, 5, 1, 2, 2, 10, 2, 6, 5 with a remainder of 1. Okay, so our answer would be 1,000, or not 1,000, 10,125 with a remainder of 1. 10,125 with the remainder of 1. So this abomination over here, this thing, it's a 0. Okay, so on to the next section, which is least common multiples. Okay, so we did least common multiple or LCMs like a month or two ago, I think. So this is just a refresher. 43 and 22. It's like this, and then 43 is a prime number, just 1 and 43. 22 is 1, 2, and 11. So there are no common factors, so it's just a 1, and then 43, 22, and then you multiply these two. So it'd be 43 times 22. And that would be 6, 8, 0, 8, 6. And so it'd be 6, 4, 9. The least common multiple would be 946. One more, 23 and 27. Or actually, no, not 23 and 27. Let's do number 3 instead. Because number 2 is the same case as the first one, with one being a prime number and the other not being a prime number. And so in the end, you're just going to multiply 23 and 27. But it's different for number 3 because number 3 has 8 and 36. So first of all, they're both even, so they both have 2, which is 4 and then 18. And then they're still even, so it's 2. So it's 2 and 9. And then now now there's nothing. So it's just 1, 2, 9. And so you multiply everything. 2 times 2 times 1, or 2 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 9 is just 4, 4, 8, and then 8 times 9, which is just 72. So the LCM for 36 and 8 is 72. Okay, well that's it for this week. It's just a quick refresher course going back to the basics. Yeah, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.